Ordinarily, the landing of another Mercedes-Benz E-Class resembles a starter at a fine supper. It's gazpacho. A serving of mixed greens. A mystery to whet cravings. The new Mercedes AMG E63 and its higher spec in, the E63S, is the principal course. The most effective form yet of Mercedes-AMG's 4.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V8 sits under the E63S hood, with 603 strength and 627 pound-feet of torque. Matched with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive framework that guarantees absolutely factor front-to-raised torque, there's no say of horizontal torque vectoring. Mercedes' new super vehicle is quicker off the line than the 640-horsepower Cadillac CTS-V. The E63S is 0.4 seconds speedier to 60, doing the deed in only 3.3 seconds to the Caddy's 3.7 seconds. However, the CTS-V's 200 mph top speed predominates the E63's 186 mph electronic point of confinement. What's more, on the off chance that you purchase the standard auto, try not to stress, the base E63 can even now beat the Cadillac with its 563 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-foot of torque. The rush to 60 takes only 3.4 seconds, in spite of the fact that it hits its electronic cutoff at just 155. Notwithstanding model, Mercedes stayed with its 9-speed AMG Speedshift multi-grasp transmission.